Are you looking for a healthier option next time you have a barbecue?
I actually am. Well, today we're gonna make turkey burgers. They're packed with flavor, they're really easy to make, and we love them in the Aucoin household.
So let's get to it.
As you can see, these turkey burgers were super easy to make and they taste delicious.
If you're looking for a lower carb option, you could always wrap it in lettuce or only use half a bun. Check out healthystepsnutrition.com for this recipe and so many more.